is Bimo Rizky Hidayatul, and my daily activities are as usual. I start by waking up the morning around 5 6 am. After waking up, I take a shower and get dressed, and then have breakfast before finally leaving for the university around 7, 8, or 9 am, depending on the course that day. After coming home for the university, I usually fill my free time by doing a segment of chatting with my friends. In between these activities, I try not to leave my prayers. What I get late in the afternoon or evening, I come home to help clean the house, take a shower, and pray at Maghrib time, then relax until Isha time. At night, I usually chat or play games with my friends. After that, I go to home and listen to music before going to bed. On weekend, I wake up a bit later, around 9 am, take a shower and eat as usual. Something clean to house, watch television, enjoy the abundance of free time by going for a walk or just relaxing at home. I also use the weekend to do laundry, clean the bedroom, wash the dishes, and sew on curtain days. I also double the meetings with organization friends. In the evening, I do my usual activities, turn on music, sleep, and get ready for the other days.